Today is my only off day. That's why I'm leaving.
Hello.
That's all I'm trying to figure out is what.
Go in real quick. Just put your hands behind your back. Don't even stand up. All right. We're gonna talk. We're gonna have a conversation. Put your hands behind your back. Don't stand up.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on too.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on, dude. My kid is out in the car.
Okay.
My kid's in the car.
We'll discuss that. Okay.
What's going on? Why am I?
If you stand up, you're gonna get tased.
Dude,
sit down.
Hold on. I've been in a car accident. Hold on. Oh, that hurt. I was just trying to tell you that hurt. I had to
put your other hand behind your back.
What is going on? What did I do? What's wrong? I'm trying to verify everything that's going on my damn self.
Okay. Stand up for me now.
All right. I just showed
120,
everything.
I got one detained.
Detained for what?
Okay. See.
What did I do
have
wrong?
A seat.
I'm just trying to ask you what's going on.
We're gonna have a seat. Okay. They said you're trying to deposit a fraudulent check.
I'm not though.
Sit down.
I'm trying to find out what's going on my damn self. That's why I'm asking.
Will you hang out with them, Sarge? Okay. What's going on?
This check, he deposited into his account in September. He was coming in here. He was trying to see about possibly getting money out of his account. Brandy up the line, she sent me the account number, said, take a look at this. He deposited it into a personal account. He says he owns Tech Connect. He is attempting to get a thing for Tech Connect through the Secretary of State. But I went a step further. I looked up Tech Connect. They're already registered with the Secretary of State. I printed it right here.
Okay.
Same address for Tech Connect here and here.
Okay.
I looked them up, Google, called the guy who actually owns this guy here, Perlman. This company, this was a check for a job that he did for this company.
He did?
No.
Okay.
Owen Perlman.
Okay.
He never received the funds. The check was stolen.
Okay.
He was able to verify the exact amount of the check that he was supposed to receive, everything. Who it was coming from, where the company was out of, the address of House
the check
Solutions.
Was supposed to be for him.
For him, for his business, which is Tech Connect.
Okay.
This guy is saying that he owns Tech Connect, which he does not.
Okay.
He's trying to establish.
Do you have a contact number for him?
Yeah, I just called him. And he asked me if he needed to come down here. I was trying to be careful about how much I sent with, because I had him in the office.
Okay.
So, 70.
And that's all you got for him is the name and a phone number?
That's his name and his phone number. I got his address is up here.
Do you have his, like... Okay.
Oh,
you
no,
just Googled it?
I Googled him.
And that's his ID?
That's his ID.
Okay.
But the check is obviously stolen, he says. So the true owner of Tech Connect receives his mail at this P.O. box. They've had mail stolen, he said, there before at the post office in Marietta. This was a check that was written to his business, was stolen. He never received it.
Okay.
He already got, was getting the owner of the check, this guy, House Solutions. This guy out here says it's for jobs that he did tearing apart some cars. House Solutions provides computer chip connectors for circuit boards. That's what they do. They have nothing to do with car, repair or, rip out from doing car work. $14,250.
Intercom systems and stuff for homeless shelters and stuff like that.
He just told me
he just
told me that he had proof that he had the money from this House Solutions in California. I asked him to provide it and he couldn't. He's like scrolling through his phone. Oh, I have a contract. We ripped the interiors out of 6 cars and redid the interiors, and that's what the money was for.
Do you have your ID with you by any chance?
Yeah.
Can you, he said he's got his kid out in the car. Can you go confirm?
He's got his girlfriend.
Oh, his girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not just his kid out in the car.
No. I didn't shut him out, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, anyway, I had Brandy contact our corporate security. He said, call law enforcement, have him arrested. I mean, it's clearly a stolen check.
Yeah. What's a good phone number for your office here? Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I can take a quick look, but I wouldn't be surprised if there's been more.
Of that stuff deposited
Yeah,
into his account.
He just opened the account in August.
He did.
Yeah, he deposited into a personal account that he opened. And our corporate security had put a block on it for possible deposit fraud. So, and yeah, that was for that check.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my question. Because he's even been warning.
All right, Mr. English. Before I talk to you, I gotta read you your rights. Okay, that is what it is.
Dude, but I didn't.
Let me read you your rights.
I'm not trying to cash my fraudulent check.
Okay.
I'm trying to find out if the check.
Do you want me to read you your rights, or do you just want to go straight to jail?
I don't want to go to jail at all.
Well-
Honestly, I've got.
You gonna let me read you your rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Where did you get the check?
I got it from Sadie. Like,
From who?
Sadie, the contractor. He's a Hispanic guy, probably about his build, like, not talking junk dude, but like a little bit heavier. Straight up, like I've been doing work with him since I got out in April. Like I've done literally, this would have been my third job with him.
Who was the check made out to?
Again, now I've been trying to get my own entity going called Tech Connect. I wanted to get my own business going. You can, like I said, you can call my best friend.
Who was the check made out to?
It was supposed to be made out to me, but he told me that he used my business name instead. So I said, okay, is that gonna cause me a problem? He said, he told me no, it shouldn't, as long as I had, if I still had the contract that he had me and literally the other worker signed right in front of him. Like I said, yes, sir, I still have my file. He said, well, you might need to email that to the bank. Straight up, you can ask Jamal down at the Macklin Crossing thing, the Macklin Crossing Bank regions. I sent it to him. He said, Jermaine, this one is, although we see that this is you doing the business as, it's not enough. You got to go down to the Secretary of State and you got to register with them. I said, all right, cool. Well, he told me to do it online.
So let me ask you this. You have not filed a business as Tech Connect. You do not own a business called Tech Connect. Yes or no?
I mean,
Yes or no? Do you own a business called Tech Connect?
No.
Okay.
I mean, no, sir. No.
Okay.
Not yet,
All right.
no.
So
Well, I filed, but I don't know.
it's a yes or no question. Okay.
I don't know though.
Correct.
I'm not.
The answer is no. You don't own a business called Tech Connect. Okay.
I just
Hold on.
filed it.
Hold on. Now, my next question is, there is a gentleman that does own a business called Tech Connect. Okay.
But
Hold on. After speaking with him, he has confirmed that he was supposed to receive a check in the amount of $14,245.00 that he did not receive. Do you understand how that looks?
I didn't take nobody's nothing. I promise. I can show you my work, bro. I've got
Can you
pictures
hold that
of
for
it.
me? All right.
I swear to God, Joe. Like I promise. Can I please just show you real quick? Please, you can look. I've got. Please, can I show you, dude, Melvin?
So you are under arrest now. Okay.
So this guy's been lying to us. It's not just me. What?
Stand up for me. I'm gonna go on out that door.
Hey, Melvin, can I not call him and him tell y'all that
Nah, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna walk out that door. We're gonna walk down the stairs.
Melvin, I didn't bring a check in here or nothing like that. I came to make sure that this guy wasn't scamming me.
Okay. We'll go down those stairs.
Like, man, what do I do to prove that again? That's not what it is.
Well, why would the check be stolen?
I didn't do none of that though.
So hold on.
I can
You're telling
check-
hold
if you
on,
look at my
listen.
phone, it's
You're
just
telling me
really working.
it's this huge coincidence that the gentleman who owns a company called Tech Connect had a check stolen in the same exact amount that you did work for.
But it's not that the amount was not just for me, it's for everybody else that's under me too. My other
Who's
guy,
under you?
me, my boy Eric, my boy, excuse me, I'm not trying to rhyme, but that's my boy Eric, my boy Derek, my sister, we all do this. Like we all do.
Y'all steal checks or
No,
y'all
bro,
deposit stolen checks?
no, I did not even know Melvin on slow.
Okay.
So, Melvin, I got 5 kids at home, bro. I dead ass did not know. Like I only work on the side with him on the side of my regular. My regular 9 to 5 is full county animal shelter. Like Melvin, can you please? I need to figure out something like. Like, can you, like, you see, dude? Like, I've got my Regents card, all that right there. I'm not making none of this shit up. I didn't.
Shit, rubber gloves for.
Because, again, in my work, I've got to keep my hands get dirty. I've got grip, pliers, all that. Like, I can show y'all everything. Like, can I at least show you the contract that we signed so y'all can see that it was legit work that we just finished? Please,
Nope.
Melvin.
No, you're under arrest.
But for what though? I didn't do nothing. Melvin, I didn't
Have a
do
seat.
nothing.
Have a seat.
Melvin, please, can you
Have a
talk to
seat.
me?
Have a seat. Yeah, I'll talk to you. I gotta get in the car, right? So have a seat.
But, Melvin, I didn't.
We're
do
gonna talk in the
nothing.
car. Hold on. Put your feet in.
But I don't.
Put your feet in.
the car.
Melvin, I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm dead ass. I didn't do shit.
Put your feet in.
Man, please,
Hold
Melvin.
on. Put your knee in.
Melvin,
Watch your knee.
please, Melvin.
Look.
I'm on my back. I'm not
Put
trying to
your
keep
knee
my
in.
knee out the way.
Okay.
Melvin, please.
Oh shit. Do you have anything in that bag?
Cigarettes, Navy Federal, mail to him, a wallet with, I guess his ID is upstairs too.
I grabbed his ID.
That's ex-wife. Susan Holland, you want anything from her or she just happy?
Can I talk to her real quick? Hey.
Hi.
Were you here with him?
I'm sitting in the car.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
Alright. So does he own a business?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called Tech Connect.
Okay. So he does not own a business called Tech Connect. That is actually owned by somebody else. It's completely different, okay? So what happened was the gentleman who does own Tech Connect, which
Okay.
you can Google Tech Connect, and I'm not going to tell you his name.
Right.
You can Google it.
Exactly. Something
So
that
anyways,
is Google.
so
Okay.
the bank contacted him
Okay.
and said, hey, is this legit? And he was like, no, I did have a check that was made out to my company that was supposed to be mailed to this PO box, which is the PO box that's registered, that Tech Connect's registered to.
Okay.
That check was stolen and I never received it, and it was made out in the exact amount. It's the same check that he deposited, and so the check was stolen.
Okay.
So he deposited a stolen check. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Has he ever done anything like that before that you're aware of?
No, not at all.
Okay.
So. All I know is he was coming here for a money order. That's literally
Right.
why I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Right. Okay. So when he came here and when he made that deposit with that check, the
Okay.
stolen check,
Okay.
they flagged it
Okay.
as possible deposit fraud.
Okay.
Okay. So when he came here today and was trying to withdraw the money,
Uh-huh.
they notified law enforcement.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Okay. Yeah.
So he's going to go down to the Paulding County Jail,
Okay.
and then I'm going to go talk to the judge, get a warrant for his arrest, and that'll be that. He's definitely going to spend the night in jail tonight. Sorry if that ruined any of your plans. But
thinking he's on the straight and narrow.
Was he not on the straight and narrow before?
I mean, we just have our ups and downs. So
Okay.
it's just kind of like, okay, yeah.
But you're not like super surprised by this?
Not really.
Yeah.
Not really, but I'm just kind of
So like the reaction I got from him is like typical of like, I got caught. So, if you would, I have the documents from the bank that like they've
that
got,
solidifies.
yeah, like
So so I guess what?
and the banker actually called the owner of Tech Connect.
Yeah.
So, and that was one of my questions to him. I don't know how much you heard inside the bank, but it was like, hey, Mr. English, yes or no, do you own a business called Tech Connect?
Right.
It's like, no.
Okay.
You have to register a business.
Right.
Well, you can't.
And that's
Right.
literally what we was on the way.
So,
to.
and you can't register a business name if somebody's already using it.
Yeah.
See, so if somebody already has a business name, Tech Connect. So then my question to him was, so are you telling me that it's a massive coincidence that a gentleman owns Tech Connect, you're trying to start a business named Tech Connect, you deposit a check and the exact same amount of money that he had a check that was stolen?
Right.
Like, see how the math ain't mathing?
No, it's not mathing. It's not mathing at all. But see, again,
When did he tell you that he owned a business called Tech Connect?
well, honestly, he's owned multiple businesses because we have a business called the English Project that when we were married, we created.
Okay.
I was right after we got divorced. It dissolved. He's in the process of creating another business. I already have my own business.
Okay. What do you do?
Sweet Peach Project is the name of my business, and it's registered out here in Paulding County.
Okay.
And it's registered with the Secretary of State as well.
Right.
And I am registered the
And
owner.
so you understand the process.
Right. That's why I was like, okay, well, you're going to the bank.
When did he tell you about Tech Connect?
He said he's been in the works for something for about, like, I want to say probably like the last couple of months. He's like, but I need to go up to the Secretary of State. Yeah, I was like, well, they can just mail that to you in the next 7 days. And he was like, well, I need it today. He's like, I need to go and get it today. And I was like, okay, well, I didn't have to go and do that. I didn't need something abruptly. So I'm like, oh, okay, well, whatever you got to do. He's like, you want to ride with me to go so I can go do it since you know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing? I'm like, yeah, that's fine. In the car, handling business calls,
And then all of a sudden, all these
business.
police cars pull up.
And then I didn't even see the police. I didn't even see any of this. He just called me and was like, hey, can you come in here and explain to them what it is that I'm trying to do because they think I'm lying. And I'm like, okay, well, who do I got to talk to? And I was greeted by law enforcement saying, can I have your ID? And I was like, I don't feel comfortable with giving you my ID because I didn't do anything wrong.
Right.
So I was like, do you suspect me of a crime? Because I didn't do anything.
I absolutely understand that.
That's all. And now I see everything is just coming full circle.
Is there any other questions I can answer for you today?
Can I speak to him?
Yeah, sure. Come on. So I'm going to roll his window down. He's on the other side of my car. He's on the other side.
Ma, I'm not making this up, Mom. Ma, please look at me. No, I'm not making this up, Ma. Ma, I'm dead ass telling you the truth, Mom. Come on.
All I'm going to say to you is they're going to charge you with fraud. And they're not going to let you back out. I'm telling you this is what's going to happen because they do this. This is something that.
But I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Okay, well, they have the fact that they have proof.
But I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Okay. The thing is, do you have proof that you did not do it? Because
yes.
Now, where is your proof?
I tried to show it's on my phone.
Okay. Where's your phone?
They took it from me.
It's been confiscated, or can I have your property and all that stuff? Do you want to release your property and whatnot to me before they go ahead?
You want to take this stuff or not?
Yeah.
She can have it.
Because I don't want them to impound your car and all that other stuff, so I will take it back to my.
You want to have your phone and wallet and all that stuff?
Yeah, but Ma, I didn't do it.
Okay. Okay.
Like, also, I legitimately did not do it. You know I didn't do it, baby.
All I am saying is that I do this for a living.
I know, Ma. That's what I didn't. If you think I would exactly, you think I would dead ass just jump and do something stupid like that? Like,
I would hope not. All I'm saying is this is a lot. This is a lot. This is a lot, is what I'm saying to you. And how heavy this shit gonna come, that they gonna try to come down on your ass.
But Ma, I didn't do that though.
You forget I work for fraud.
I did not. No, I would never forget. I know what you're telling me, Ma. But again, if I did not do it. I did not do none of that.
Okay.
You know I didn't do none of that.
Say you didn't do any of these things. All I'm asking for is, do you have the proof to justify your innocence? Is all I'm saying.
Yes.
And if you have it, where is it that I can get it? Because you already know, since you're on my insurance plan, you have legal representation regardless, because I pay for legal, I pay for everything.
Right.
So I need all of the information that you have, I am going to need to have to be able to represent you in some type of way.
Okay, well,
to be able to get to where you're going to get you going forward. That's what I need.
But okay. I don't know the number by heart, but okay.
Close to your phone.
It's 747-333.
Okay. Is your phone in here, or do they still have it? It is?
It's in the front pocket.
Oh, okay. Because I'm going to need whatever, because for me to call the...
Wait, no, it's not 747.
Yeah, I'm saying, bro, I'm telling you. For me to call all the people, and, because like I said, we have legal insurance. You still have it until December.
But baby, I'm not
asking you if you're lying. I just need to... you saying...
But I can show it. I can literally show it right now.
You can't show shit to them right now because they not prosecuting you. They just about to take you.
Had
to take you, drop you off, and the people.
But baby, I literally came up here to find out that. I literally came up here to find out that.
Can I show you one thing before you go?
Please.
So, you owning a business.
Yes.
You know what I'm looking at here then. Tech Connect Sales Distribution. It was formed in 1993, and this is the owner. You can understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So. And this is paper copy justifying the information.
And again, this is something you can get off Google. Do you have any questions for us?
Oh my God. Can you tell me what the charge would be at this point?
To be honest with you,
yeah.
Fraud and forgery is not something I know the back of my hand. If you,
I work for the front.
Right. So I would
familiar with.
I would venture to say it's going to be somewhere forgery first degree.
First degree. And that's a felony, isn't it?
Yes, it will be a felony. He passed a bad check for $14,245. So I don't know if I got to talk to the judge. It might be theft by receiving since the stolen check.
Yeah,
theft by receiving. Stolen too.
That's not felony. Theft by receiving isn't felony.
With this amount.
Oh.
That might change things as well. So, but I have to sit down with I'm gonna be honest. I have to sit down with a law book and read over.
Right, exactly. That's
all I know is this is illegal.
Right. Yeah. Right. So, I have my law book at home that I am very familiar with.
Nice and big.
Right.
So.
And treasury and all that other good stuff. So now here we are, trying to get him on the straight and narrow.
Do you have any other questions before I take him? Okay. All right.
Oh no! I need the pen. I need the code to this phone.
Okay.
I need the pen. That's what I need.
By all means. Yeah, she's taking the vehicle. She got.
I'm taking it off. Yeah.
Hey, what are you taking it off? Wait.
You want your car impounded?
Oh no, I'm not. But that's what I'm saying. Can I show the Secretary of State thing that I look? That's all I was.
Yeah. But what I'm trying to tell you is the information that he got shows that this business been in effect since before you was born.
Again, I never denied that. When the woman said that to me, I asked her then, like, what is your, what do I do? What's going on?
Okay, yeah, I need to, again, to be able to get your case, you're going to need to say something for documentation, because I'm going to have to provide it.
It should be right there. Can I just...
They're taking you because they got confirmed paperwork stating that you...
But I can show my confirmed paperwork. I didn't do that. I was doing it. I literally thought I was only finishing a job.
Hey, you don't have to go to warrant too.
What, dude? What, dude?
For what? For where?
Out of Cobb County.
No,
I just did it.
Wait, what's the active date on it? What's the date that's active on it?
September 7th.
No, I just...
Have you talked to Miss Chisholm?
Yes, I literally...
When was the last time you talked to Miss Chisholm?
Last week, literally, she came to my job.
Huh?
Failure to appear.
I went to that.
Oh, the thing that I just sent.
The driver's license, I just paid the $65 to him.
The original charge is violation of attacking biting animal ordinance.
The shit that I told you to motherfucking
Ma, they told me that they could not find that case, and I've been looking for it myself.
I gave you paperwork, bro.
I know, and I went, and I told you it's 747-333.
747-333.
I just literally
told your ass.
But I just paid for it.
You didn't pay for that. You paid for the suspension of the driver's license for speeding.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about I literally showed them everything about Rosie and all that, the rabies vaccination. I did that already.
You didn't have to do none of that, because when I went up there for her, you didn't have to do
because she didn't invite nobody in yours. She just got out on yours. They wanted to be sure that she wasn't like sickly and all that.
No, it's the point that I was saying to you.
Ma, that's what I'm saying. I did do it. I
don't want to argue. I'm just telling you, like, this. I told you to go to court for that shit.
I did go to court.
No, because you didn't go. I remember you saying you did not go because they said that there was no case, blah, 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 blah.
Right, but that was that time. But when you said what you said, I took heed to it, and I went down there myself.
Okay, bro.
I went down there, I showed them the video.
They got the information in it. So right now you about to go to Paladin, right? They're going to have their charge, right? And then when Paladin decides to release you for the legal information that whatever it is, they're going to release you to Cobb County, and Cobb County going to hold you, and they're going to...
All they got to do is look at the...
You can tell them all that they want, all they got to do, but they're going to do their job.
But I didn't.
Somebody did their job in Cobb County because you didn't come to court, and they decided to put a warrant out because you didn't come to court.
But I did go to court. I literally, matter of fact, I got the papers.
Where the papers at? That's what I'm saying. Think about it. Where the papers at? Because all this information I'm going to need.
I think I sent a copy to Pat. You know, the rehab man. I think I sent a copy to him, and.
A copy of what? What paper? What paper? What paper?
The finishing, the thing that
the call your rehab, the sober living place to let them know that this is happening to you right now.
I mean, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have to let them know because they.
When I just deleted all the motherfucking jail apps off my phone.
No, I did.
You have money on your phone? You have $100 on your phone? You paid it already?
I paid it to the Secretary of State. Like that's what Jamal. That's what the region branch manager on Macklin Crossing told me to do.
The charge is going to be forgery in the third degree.
Forgery in the third?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is a felony.
I didn't forge nothing. I didn't.
You received it into your bank account. So.
Because I was doing a job, Ma, that's it. I was just trying to make money, stressing about more money.
I get it. Well, I got to get out of this hot sun and figure out what the fuck to do now?
Ma, that's what I'm saying, right? There's got to be something we can do.
Nothing that can be done now until you go through the system.
But that's just, I didn't do shit.
You're already arrested. You're going to have to go through the system, bro. Like, that's just, that's protocol. That's just protocol. You got to go through the system. And then you got to get your way out.
But then
I'm telling you that this is just, you know this. This is protocol.
But I didn't.
They're gonna have to pull off. They're gonna have to take you over to Paulding County. You're gonna be booked tonight. We'll figure out how to maneuver tomorrow. You'll get a phone call. You'll be able to call me and figure out what the fuck to do from here. But as of right now, I can't do anything, and they can't do anything because they're not gonna be the ones prosecuting you.
But I didn't.
Whatever proof that you have, I will go through and I will look and whatever. Just breathe.
But I didn't. That's my thing.
I'm not asking you, Jay. I'm not asking you. That's all.
But we just started healing together. That's what I mean. So you know damn well I would not do nothing.
To the curb. I'm just telling you what the fuck I'm finna do, so we can figure some shit out. But as of right now, you acquiring another felony. You know what the fuck they finna do.
But I didn't do it.
Okay, so you gonna have to prove that you did it.
Like what?
That's just what it is. You have to prove that you did it.
That I didn't
have a lawyer prove that you didn't. But until then, they're gonna make you sit because you know your prior.
But Melvin, bro, I didn't do that. Melvin, please, bro, I did not do that.
About it. They got some piece of paper that say you did it.
But I didn't. I literally have been asking where is your my account this whole time. It's literal record of me asking. This is crazy. What is going on, yo? Like, I'm doing the right thing, yo. I'm in the rehab, I'm in everything. Malcolm, please, bro, can you talk to me, please? Like, I cannot wrap my mind around this shit. Like, this is, what is happening right now? What is, but then, no, I'm sorry, bro, but I don't understand, like, how is me trying to fix my account? What is, like, how? But I did not deposit it. That was the point I was making to her. I legitimately said that to her. She said, it says to you about this. I said, I wrote, and mine should be this. Like, I have like I said, like, I literally paid for the Secretary of State thing so I can keep my account open. That is it. I'm not trying to keep nothing. I knew something was wrong from the jump. That's crazy. And I reported my car stolen and everything. Like what? How? I can't wrap my mind around this, yo. Like, what is happening? Please, bro, you got to help me. I gotta figure out something, Melvin. Like, you see it. I just fixed everything. Like, I just literally bust my ass, yo. Like, that's it. I didn't do nothing else. Oh, this is not real. This is not real. Somebody wake me up. Oh, let me take my medicine either. Oh man, no, please.
Hello, Dallas, one mail. Thank you.
No, please, yo, like.
There ain't nothing I can do.
No, but I didn't do nothing.
Then why does it look like you did?
But that's my point. I'm trying to fix that. They were trying to close my account, and I got everything to make deposits into that account. Everything. I let the branch manager know that my car was stolen. I did all of that. The only reason why I went to that specific region is because I just picked her up from the house. That's it. It was the closest one. I walked inside and said, hey, I gotta go and prove that I'm this version because they're trying to say that I'm that version and I'm not. But I never claimed to be him. I never did. That's why I kept saying I am taking the LLC Jermaine, Jermaine English LLC. I've been saying that, and you can look it up. Like I paid, she gave me $100 to pay for it and everything.
For what LLC?
For TechConnect LLC, Jermaine English, excuse me, it's TechConnect. It's 3 names, right? They made me pick 3 names. The first one, I chose TechConnect LLC. Boom, right? The second one, I chose TechConnect Jermaine English LLC. Then the third one, I put TechConnect J.E. LLC. Like, again, that's it. Like, I promise, I've been working with my branch manager and Jamal, another teller, I guess, I don't know what his position is, on creating my business. On the side of me working with the animal shelter, I do upgrades on cars. I do car audio. I do the cameras, like I was telling you. I do the speakers. I do all that. Like, that's it. Like, I wasn't trying to bite this man's, like, nothing like that. I wasn't trying to do nothing like that. And when, like I told her, that is what raised the flag with me. And that's why I'm doing what I'm doing, because they threatened to close my account. That's it. I wanted to be sure that my account stayed open and that whomever got, like, that, whatever got it closed, got it rectified. Like, I didn't even know the amount of the check until you said it. I'm not making this up, bro. Like,
Okay. So obviously that was deposited, and region. I'm sure you already know.
but you can look at whoever deposited it. Wasn't me. Like, look at the cameras, yo. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Man, it was not me. Like, what is going? It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me. Oh, like, please, it wasn't me. Oh, please, Melvin. Please. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, I can't go back in this cell, please. Oh, I didn't even do nothing wrong. I was just trying to prove that it wasn't me. That's all I was trying to do. You can call down to the branch. Please just call down to the branch. You can ask him. Like, you can call tomorrow. And you can hear from another region's operator or whatever I'm telling you the truth. It was never me. I never deposited shit. Like, I did not deposit nothing. That's what I was trying to find out. Man, this is crazy. Like, I didn't do this shit. I didn't even do this shit. Like, I didn't do it. didn't do this shit.
So I'm just gonna ask you a few questions, alright? Jermaine English?
Bro, I didn't do this shit. I need somebody that fuck with me and fucking set up, bro.
Hold on tight for me, alright?
I'm sorry, bro. I ain't had my medicine yet. That's what I was on my way to do.
Alright, hang on tight.
This is so fucked up. I didn't do this shit. Man, like, how do I prove to you how that I didn't do this shit? Like, this is nothing I did.
Alright, look. I don't know what's going on, alright? But let's get through this process first, alright?
But I'm so scared to go in here, bro. I did not do shit. I didn't do nothing wrong. I was just trying to just be sure that my account was safe and that I wasn't doing that. This shit like this wasn't gonna ever happen. I dead ass came up there with the documents to prove that I'm me and this ain't right. Like straight up.
Alright, so I just gotta ask you a few questions, alright? Have you traveled recently outside the US?
No man.
Alright. Do you have a fever or chills?
I don't know. I don't know.
No?
I don't know if it's from my not taking my medicine yet or not.
Alright. Do you have any other flu-like symptoms?
If it's about the COVID thing, bro, I don't have COVID. I don't think I've been around nobody with COVID, nothing like that.
Alright.
Oh man.
I should just step out the vehicle for me. I got you. Alright, just watch your step. You know, walk over this way.
See your fake IDs.
Yeah, I do. I'm young. I'm 20 years old.
Okay.